Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford Transit. Stock number is A6956. Starting right away up front, you have a chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You do have 3 rows of seating, so plenty of room for the whole family to ride very comfortably. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You do have a rear backup camera here on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Transit on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.